How long does it take for affiliate marketing to work? So I'm going to be answering that question in this video. So you can see we're having a pretty good month right here on Warrior Plus. We've made over $6,000 in the last 30 days. I hover over this and you can see that pretty much all that money except for one, and actually 27 was actually from winning an affiliate contest. So it was pretty much all affiliate marketing driven, and we're over $6,157 in the last 30 days of affiliate commissions. This stuff really does work. Last 7 days, almost $5,000. Yesterday we had 729. You can see over here, the day before yesterday, we made 50 sales on only 123 traffic, and we made almost $2,000 in one day, which is super, super cool, right? I made a little bit of money today as well. Now I'm going to show you and talk to you a little bit about what it takes to actually start making this kind of money on certain platforms. And then also I'm going to be kind of shooting you straight like I always do, but really getting back to answering your question, how long does it take for affiliate marketing to work? Well, I have to rewind and go back to 5 years ago when I was, getting started. And I'm trying to just be as transparent and honest as I can be with this. So I think that if you have an action plan, you're super motivated, you're super laser focused and targeted, and you show up on a daily basis and you believe in yourself and that it can come true, then you also are consistent and put in like an hour a day, at least 5 days a week. I believe you can start seeing your first like affiliate sales, and it will start snowballing because you on the side, every video, every piece of content you come out with, it actually starts building on itself, kind of like a snowball effect. I believe that if I was just going to shoot you straight, it takes about 30 days with my strategies, and my strategies are really powerful. You can see right here how many people are showing you their real affiliate marketing stats with all low ticket item sales, making thousands and thousands of dollars. I don't really do high ticket sales. I do low ticket sales across the board, even with software, reoccurring software sales, and so forth. And so this doesn't just work on Warrior Plus. This works with any affiliate product or affiliate program that you choose to promote. All you have to do is essentially sign up as an affiliate and get access to that tool, and then go and make tutorial videos about it, right? It really is that simple of a strategy. The problem is that most people will just quit and give up way too soon. You might even come out and feel like you put in a lot of effort and worked really hard because you posted 7 or 14 videos on YouTube, and that's just absolutely nothing. Even before you could even consider put in somewhat of an effort into this videos, before you even can say, hey, I put out 30 videos, I didn't even make one $5 sale. Okay, I might come back and say, okay, well, either let's change up your strategy. How many views did you get? Are you doing viral videos? Are you doing search-based videos? What do your videos look like? What's the quality of your videos, right? Are you spending 5 minutes in your introduction and you're not getting to the point, so you're not giving value to people? There's so many things that we can look at that point, but at least we have data and we have a picture of what's going on. It could be thumbnails, titles, all those things, right? But you have to at least go on the journey. Think about it. You're building a business that eventually will have traffic coming to it every single day, that when you take off and you can't work or put out a video that day, you still get paid from all the work you did yesterday and a week ago and 2 months ago and 3 months ago. So it completely builds on itself. And that's why YouTube and affiliate marketing is so I would say don't expect any sales inside of 30 days when you're starting off 100% from scratch. Yes, you might make a sale in your first week, and I've seen that happen without any following or anything. If you just got started today, your first few videos, you could actually start making sales. That's straight up, yes, that is true. But I like to set realistic expectations for everybody across the board. And then if you get sales before that, you can be pleasantly surprised and, and happy. But your realistic goal should be between 30 and 60 days in order to build a real affiliate marketing business that's getting real organic free traffic, that is warm traffic of people that actually are looking for your video and your review, subscribing to your channel, watching multiple videos, eventually buying a product from you. Okay. So 30 to 60 days is kind of like my answer. That's my gold plate kind of answer. 30 to 60 days. You should be able to be making a few sales here and there. And then if you wanted to actually start making sales like this, where you make 50 sales in one day and you make $2,000 from low ticket products, it all comes down to the principle of what I just taught you. It's about creating content as often as possible, high quality content. It doesn't have to be large production. Right now, I've got one of my softwares is down, so I'm using Loom to record this video. I understand the audio quality is not going to be very good. The quality of the screen and myself on the webcam, there's just it's diluted. It's not that good, but it doesn't matter because the content is good. You're learning from somebody. I'm putting this content out there for free, and I've made over 600K doing this, and I'm trying to give you as much value as I can for free on YouTube. And I don't care that I'm using Loom to 3 hours editing my videos. I make sure that I get the content out, and that's all that really matters. Okay, so you build this up, and I'm going to show you. It kind of also reminds me of when I put my money where my mouth is inside of my Skool community. I'm going to come over here real quick. And inside my Skool community, and you'll be able to see right over here, we do things like $3,700 from 2 videos, 2 emails in 4 days right there. You'll get all that kind of stuff, training, screenshots, proof, the strategy behind everything inside of the community over here. But this is my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. And look, I say in 30 days or less, you can actually start making your first affiliate commissions if you do this right. The classroom section, you'll be able to see that I have this case study building a YouTube channel from scratch right here. It's like a 3-hour, I believe it's like 2 or 3 hours of over-the-shoulder case study. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm like, my strategy works. And so I'm like, I'm going to just create a channel and just pick a software, pick a niche, and from 0 videos, 0 subscribers, take it all the way to over 13, I believe it's over 1,300 subscribers on the channel. We got it to 17,000 views per month and making money in this case study. And so I take you by the hand from, if you want to like see exactly how it's done, right? Like everybody just teaches theory. These are how to do keyword research. This is how you make your video. But like, no, I actually did it right in front of you over the shoulder, took you all the way along the way, how I was kind of got my channel sparked and getting views and so forth. I teach you all about that. And we can actually go and take a look at this. So you type in Canva Creatives Hub over here, and I'll show you the proof. This is the case study right over there. It's Canva Creatives Hub right over here. And we can even see that I have not published. I'm going to go over here to videos, and you'll be able to see that the last video that I actually created on this channel was 11 months ago, got 89 views. And we can actually go over here and you can see that the views are still at, let's go over here. We'll actually click on this. So the views are at almost 300 views per month, and I have not published in a year. So this is a very searchable based channel that if I decided to pump this one up, and I'm actually thinking about doing it because it's Canva, it's one of the biggest softwares on the planet. I think it gets like 100 million searches per month for different keywords for Canva. They have over 200 million people using the tool. You could build an entire 10K plus per month business around just one software, Canva, right? And I'm not even an affiliate for Canva, and I'm very confident that I could still make $10,000 off of a channel that is based around Canva tutorials, okay? So this right here is an actual channel that I created, Canva Creatives Hub. And you can actually see over here, there's only 35 videos. And do I have a short on here? I think I have one short. I have one short that got 700 views. So these videos are not, so I have 34 videos and we're still getting views every single month on the channel, right? So I teach you how to do all this, how to put links in the description, how to build a product or a brand, how to build your own course around this, how to become an affiliate of a software. And this particular use case right here is you're building an entire YouTube channel around one specific topic, one specific niche, specific software, one product. It's Canva. You can choose anything. It can be Microsoft, an AI writing software. It can be, all you need is a topic, and stick within that topic and go and start creating content. Publish 5 videos per week. And these are, I'm not on camera on any of these. Look, I'll just hover over here. You can see never on camera right here. This stuff just straight up works. Okay. So going back to the question that you guys have, how long does it take for affiliate marketing to work? It could take inside of a week. You can get lucky. You could post a review of a product, put it out on YouTube. It could rank. You could get some views. And if it's a good video and they don't know you yet because you don't have a whole bunch of other content, they still might push that link, click that affiliate link. They still might go on to purchase. But realistically, I like to be realistic with my students and everything, that between 30 and 60 days, that's not profitable in your business, right? There's not very many businesses on planet Earth that you can actually start becoming profitable from almost day one, okay? But 30 to 60 days, give yourself that much time, get your first videos out there, start building a brand, building subscribers, and then you will be on your way to actually making steady money on a daily basis. So thanks for joining me. I'd love to have you as our next student inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. So just click the link below and go check it out. I'll see you next time.